Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, dear friends. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name is MD Mubin Mia. I'm from Bangladesh. Recently, I'm living in Qatar. I will try to speak in English in front of my mobile camera. First of all, I want to say about the Qatar. Qatar is a very good country. I really like the rules and regulations of Qatari government, and the place in Qatar very beautiful to look. I am a student of Times English Center. 3 months ago, I admitted at Times English Center. I think the Times English Center is very best platform. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity. I want to learn English because English is an international language. English is important in the office, in restaurant, in supermarkets, and also in hospital. If I can't speak English, I can't work with foreign countries people. It is impossible to work without English. That's why I need to learn English. I want to say more. I think English is very important in my life and for my career, and I want to teach my children. Last words, I had a dream learning English. That's why I want to learn English. So far, I have completed 12 classes. Our class teacher's name is Umar Sir. He is a polite and qualified teacher. I love him for Allah. He teaches us English without grammar, and I also like to learn English without grammar. We attend one class per week and we practice for 6 days at home. After a month, our course will complete. 3 months ago, I couldn't speak English, but now I can speak English a little. So everyone, please pray for me. Thank you so much.